We all need to keep our house clean. But studies have proven that indoor air quality is more toxic than outdoor air. One of the primary reasons of indoor air pollution is household cleaners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily make your very own all-natural, non-toxic household cleaner. And as a bonus, I'm also going to show you how to make a surface disinfectant, which has now become a part of our lives in the COVID-19 era. So be sure to stick around with me to the very end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hey everyone, welcome to Live to the Fullest. So let's start making our own household cleaner that is non-toxic and fully natural, and also the surface disinfectant. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make our non-toxic household cleaner, you need only 3 simple ingredients. 1. Plain and simple water. Number 2. Vinegar. Actually, you need white vinegar to make this. I do not use white vinegar. I don't have it at home. So I'm using apple cider vinegar here. But you really don't have to use apple cider vinegar because it's going to get expensive that way. So take any white vinegar that you have and some essential oil of your choice. So, and you also need a spray bottle to store and use your household cleaner. So first things first, you need to fill 3/4 of the container with plain water, and the rest of the container should be filled with vinegar. And that's actually the household cleaner is actually made. Just mix it. Now vinegar has a terrible smell which most of us do not want to have it in our household cleaner. So we are going to use some essential oil to mask the odor of vinegar. I'm using around 2 ml of lemon essential oil because the smell is really fresh and aromatic and it smells wonderful on your furniture. And please make sure to use this household cleaner on only polished wooden surfaces. Any glass surface, anything else will do, laminated surfaces, anything will work just fine. This works fine on any surface and it really cleans up and works really well. And it's all ready and it's ready to be sprayed on your surface and cleaned. So that's as simple as that. Now we'll move on to making our surface disinfectant. To make the surface disinfectant, you need only 2 ingredients. First, rubbing alcohol or doctor's alcohol, whatever you call it. You can purchase it easily at any medicine store or pharmaceutical. Just ask for doctor's alcohol or rubbing alcohol. It comes for very cheap, for around 70 to 100 bucks. And I'm also using some orange essential oil. You also need a spray bottle to store it. I'm just using an empty hair serum bottle here. And it's very simple. Just take the rubbing alcohol, pour it in the container. It's completely odorless, and I'm using just 1 ml of orange essential oil here because doctor's alcohol does not really smell like anything. So just 1 ml of orange essential oil. Keep it closed because it's alcohol and it really evaporates. So you need to keep it really closed tight and use it on any surface that you are worried about germs buildup, like doorknobs, handles, or any other surfaces, especially metal surfaces that many people touch, and you need to disinfect it. So it's as simple as this one. Just spray it on anywhere and clean it up. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get more such videos. I'll be meeting you soon with my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and live to the fullest. This is your friend Mona Lisa saying bye-bye.